Put on your personal protective equipment, as you'll need it to safely obtain authorization for maintenance and protect yourself from electrical and mechanical hazards. Locate the local control station and ensure you isolate electrical power there to prevent any shock hazards while working on the system. You need to relieve system pressure by opening the flow control valve. Make sure the pressure gauge reads 0 psi first for safety. Verify the zero energy state by checking the voltage instrument on the electrical junction box to ensure all systems are de-energized and safe to work on. Inspect the centrifugal pump for any leaks or unusual vibrations. This ensures the system is functioning properly and helps prevent any potential failures. Inspect the discharge vessel for any signs of corrosion or damage. Ensuring it's intact helps maintain safety and efficiency in our operations. The logbook needs to be updated with your findings. Documenting accurately is essential for maintaining operational integrity and ensuring safety.